Hello, today I will show you how to set up the SMTP using the AWS Simple Email Service and then implement a simple .NET console app to send out the email using this SMTP. So first, let's click on the Amazon Simple Email Service. If you cannot see here, you can search SES. Click on it. And then we need to create an identity. Click on the create identity. So there's two methods to create an identity. One is using the domain name, and then one is using the email address. Today I will show you use an email address. So before we start, we need to prepare two email addresses. The first one, this will be the sender. We will use this email to send out the email, and then the second email address is a receiver. We will receive the email. Because once we create the SES, our account is in the sandbox mode. So for the sandbox mode, we are only able to send out the email to those verified email addresses. So that's why we need two email addresses. Select the email address, and then we copy the first email. And then create the identity. And then we need to do the same thing for the second email. Copy the second email. Right now we need to verify the email address. You see those two emails here is waiting for the verification. So we go to the Gmail, refresh, and then click on the link. Click on the link here to verify the email address. And then we need to do the same thing for the second email. Okay, now two email is already verified. Refresh. You see it's a green color. Verified it. Next thing, we need to set up the SMTP. We have to create a SMTP credential. We need to create a new user. So type the new username. Click on create. We have open it up. So this is a SMTP username and the password. Now we have to implement a .NET C# console app to send out the email using this SMTP. Open up the Visual Studio 2022 file, create a new project. We select the console app, click on next. Type the project name. Next. We will use the .NET 6 framework. Click on create. For saving the time, I already prepared a simple C# program for sending out the email. Let me copy and paste here. We will use the SMTP client, and then here we need to copy the username and password here. So username, and then the password. Here is a SMTP host, so we need to copy the host to here. click the SMTP setting, and then you will see the SMTP endpoint here. Here is the host. So for the host, we have to use a SSL TLS. Copy the host here. So we need to enable the SSL set to true. And then we need to copy the from address here. So we go back to a Gmail. So this will be a center, the center email address. From email, this will be a receiver. So we copy a receiver. So look like everything ready. So just Control F5 to run the program. Look like everything good. So the email is already sent. So go back to the Gmail to verify it. Refresh. Click on inbox. Refresh. We receive a new email. Click on it. Make sure this is from the AWS. We click on Show Original. We copy the email header. And then we have to verify the email header. You look at here. We submit host is from the Amazon.com, and then we see host is from Google. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.